Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Farzana Shaheen with Brain Train. Today we'll be learning about sentence. कि sentence क्या होता है? Sentence and its parts of a sentence. Before we start learning about sentence, first I think we should know about letters and words also. Letter कहते हैं only one alphabet, यानी एक जैसे ABC है उसमें से कोई भी एक अल्फाबेट ले लिया जाए, that is letter. And word, when we combine some letters, then it makes a word. और word उसके meanings होने चाहिए तब वो word है. It should be having some meaning, otherwise वो word नहीं है. After that comes the sentence. A sentence can be a word or group of words containing a subject and a verb. यानी एक जो है वो verb, एक sentence जो है वो एक लफ्ज भी हो सकता है और अल्फाज का कुछ मजमुआ भी हो सकता है, और इसमें सब्जेक्ट भी होता है और वर्ब भी होता है. सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब इन दोनों के मिलने से बनता है. कई दफा सिर्फ एक वर्ड भी हो सकता है जो भी सेंटेंस कहलाता है. और सेंटेंस इसकी पहचान ये भी है, इट मस्ट मेक सेंस, यानी इसका कुछ मतलब होना चाहिए. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. इसकी examples नीचे दी हैं मैंने. He works very hard. This is a sentence. और end इसका full stop पे हो रहा है, first letter capital. The monkey climbed down the tree. This is again a sentence. First letter capital. At the end there is a full stop. Then, do you know him? It's a question, but still it's a sentence. It's a question sentence. यानी सवालिया जुमला, सवालिया sentence है. What a beautiful scene. This is a sentence, but ending at exclamation. Exclamation जब आप किसी अपनी feelings का, emotions का इजहार कर रहे होते हैं तो तब इस्तेमाल होता है. जैसे what a beautiful scene, मतलब इसमें आप एक खुश हो रहे हैं उसको देख के सीन को, और तब आप ये लफ्ज इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Parts of sentence. So parts of sentence, like what makes a sentence, यानी किन से मिलके बनता है sentence. There are two parts of a sentence, the subject and the predicate. The subject, it tells what the sentence is about, और mostly beginning में होता है simple sentences में, और it tells about what the sentence is about, के sentence किस बारे में है. And the predicate, जो कि एक sentence भी हो सकता है, और clause mean group of words जो पूरा exactly मतलब नहीं देता, so it could be that also, and that tells something about the subject. तो predicate जो है वो subject के बारे में बताता है, और subject जो है वो predicate के बारे में बताता है. So now we'll see the examples here. Ahmed drove the car. So I think you understand what is subject in it and what's the predicate, right? So Ahmed is subject and drove the car. Predicate, yes, you're right. So next example, they played football match yesterday. So what is subject here? Yes, they. And played yesterday, that's the predicate. Third example, swimming is my favorite sport. Swimming, favorite sport. So swimming is subject and the other part is the predicate. It is telling about the swimming, that it's my favorite sport. Next, the bell rang loudly. The bell it will be the subject rang loudly. In the next sentence, we never ate popcorns like this. We only is the subject and the whole other part, that's the predicate. One more thing which I want to tell कि subject यानी जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है सेंटेंस में सिर्फ वो पार्ट होता है और predicate it includes the verb हमेशा predicate में आता है, remember that. Now this is an exercise which I'm giving you. आप ये सारा पढ़ के अपनी वीडियो को यहीं पे स्टॉप करें और एक एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. आप अपने पास नोट करें कि which part जो है वो subject है and which one is the predicate. So I just read for you first. The chocolate cake tasted very good. The school bus went quickly over the road. We often watch cartoons on television. We often watched cartoons on television. The white and brown hat belonged to my uncle. I like fruit salad with strawberries. The historic building is now a museum. My sister's friend Sarah works at the mall. Amna and Sarah laughed and played on the swings. So just stop. Don't go further. Just guess what would be the answer. Then we can check it. Okay? Let's see now. See what's the... Okay, let's see now. We can see the answers here now. The chocolate cake tasted very good. So chocolate cake, that's the subject, and the other part, predicate. The school bus, subject, went quickly over the road, predicate. We only the subject. The whole other part is often watch cartoons on television. That's the predicate. The white and brown hat. So white and brown, it's about hat. ये hat के बारे में बात हो रही है. That's why it's the subject. Belong to my uncle. That's the predicate. I, here next one, I only subject hai. The whole like fruit salad with strawberries, that's the predicate. Then the historic building, subject hai. The other part, underlying part is the predicate. My sister's friend Sarah. So this is whole is subject because ये सारा के बारे में बात हो रही है कि my sister's friend Sarah. So this is the subject. The other part is predicate. Amna and Sarah. So they are both subject, laughed and played on the swings. That's the predicate. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much. That's all for today. Keep learning with Brain Train with Farzana Shaheen. Don't forget to subscribe. Just like it, share it with your friends if you like it, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.